Very good afternoon to everybody. Very good afternoon, sir. First of all, thank you very much for all the journalists, the press family, to have taken your time. And also, I would like to thank you personally for showing your interest on our growth path and for us to reach out to the world through your medias, through your press, through your writings. Thank you. I would like to also thank you all the investors who had confidently invested on us. I would like to thank them for continual support on our growth path. I would like to thank our board of directors, our staff, all the fraternities, all our customers who had shown their confidence and continuously been supporting our growth path. FY26 has been a significant year for LGT Global Hospitality Limited as we continued strengthening our position across travel and tourism and hospitality ecosystem. We are witnessing encouraging momentum across the corporate travel, MICE activities, destination management, hospitality solutions, exhibitions, trade fairs, and customized travel experience driven by increasing travel demands and evolving customer presence. One of our key strategic priority has been to build a more integrated and a scalable travel platform. In line with this, we have acquired a policy or a process to be a leader to collaborate in the current world. What does that mean to the world is, we as an organization are aligning with, already we have aligned with 3 companies, Yaja, Traflix and Holiday One, by acquiring their 51% and also handholding them to their growth path. When I'm saying, see, travel industry is a larger industry, and when we are talking about individually, we as an organization would not grow to the level which we are all talking about. Today, all of us know the travel industry has its own plus and minuses. And when we are all joined together and we collaborate across the globe, we would have a more stronger presence as we go forward. And one of the helping strength is basically by collaboration and customer engagement capacities, digital ecosystem, and service portfolio across multiple travel categories. We are also continuing our pan-India expansion strategically in all the 2-tier cities apart from our metros. When I'm talking about 2-tier cities, we have touched places like Vijayawada, Nagercoil, Coimbatore. We are expanding to Trichy, we are expanding to Pune, Calcutta, and as we go for even Orissa, even in UP, many cities like Lucknow is going to be on our cards. And this pan-India expansion is to ensure our expansion from MICE to corporate business to corporate travel. We are planning our expansions into holiday business. So that is going to be the way forward in the days to come. And when we are talking about, there is a huge gap of market reach in the 2-tier cities and 3-tier cities. And we have been successfully able to last 6 months drive this concept. And in this year, we are going to go in a larger way. And at the same time, we are also trying to expand our global presence. Our first expansion node would be into Dubai and Malaysia for outbound business. And when you're talking about outbound business and also inbound tourism and also regional partnership and global customer engagement capability, we are going to expand in the days to come. This will bring in a steady growth and also a stable market understanding. So we will have a balanced global market presence. When we talk about balanced means, if at all one market is having a little bit of issue, the other market supports it. And that's what our expansion is going to talk about and going to basically focus upon. And as an organization, our objective is to evolve into comprehensive and end-to-end travel solution provider across inbound tourism, outbound tourism, domestic holidays, corporate travel management, my services, exhibitions, destination management, and hospitality solutions. We are also seeing strong growth potential in religious and spiritual tourism, which is emerging as an important travel segment driven by increasing experiential and destination-led travel demand. When we are talking about today, if you see we had the Parag, that event in Delhi, which was a big event, which has got acquired almost close to a very huge size of inbound attraction there. And similarly, vice versa. So we are trying to expand our growth into that segment to acquire our growth in a very stable way. And going forward, our focus will be remaining on operational scalability, customer experience, strategic partnership, and sustainable long-term growth while continue to strengthen our presence across India and international market. While I say that, I would also like to strategically say that we as an organization, to all the investors, to all the business corporates across the world, across India, that we as an organization, we would like to grow with a hand-holding exercise, with a very transparent growth pattern, with a transparent quality deliverance in the days to come. And I can assure you as an organizational leader, as a chairman of this company, that LGT would like to be a guardian organization in the days to come, and need a lot of support from the market, a lot of support from the customer, a lot of support from the media to reach us out to the different parts of the world. And I thank you very much for this opportunity, and thank you all the press fraternity for taking your pains to come here and to write for us. Your support is definitely going to be a great support for our journey going forward. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. A warm welcome to all the media and media partners. During the financial year, the company delivered healthy operational performance supported by improving demand across all the verticals: tourism, hospitality, corporate mobility, and experienced travel segment. In terms of revenue growth, for the financial year 24-25, the revenue from the operations is 100 crores 42 lakhs. For the financial year 25-26, 135.44.7 crores. In terms of growth, there is a 34.9% year-on-year growth, supported by strong momentum across the corporate travel and MICE and hospitality segment. EBITDA for the financial year 24-25, 8.44 crores. For the financial year 25-26, EBITDA of 8.34 crores. Profit before tax for the financial year 24-25, 6.99 crores. For the financial year 25-26, 6.25 crores. Profit after tax for the financial year 24-25, 5.21 crores. For the financial year 25-26, 4.59 crores. In the last quarter, we acquired like 3 companies: Yaja Travel Solutions, and Holiday One, and Traflex. They are specialized in 3 verticals. Holiday One is specialized in a niche segment of FIT, and hospitality. Traflex Limited is expert in trade fairs, and Yaja is into like medical segment. These are the financial numbers of the LGT Global Hospitality Limited for the financial year 25-26. Thank you everyone.
Can you give the mic, please?
In which vertical you are strong in this quarter?
We are pretty strong in MICE and corporate solutions on accommodation side. And that's our major business contribution in this year, last financial year.
Gave you good growth.
Both have been evenly balancing, sir. MICE as well as corporate solutions.
What is your acquisition plan in the next quarter?
Okay, we are trying to acquire basically a company in Dubai, because Dubai expansion, see, though people know that there's going to be a lot of challenge, but yes, you know, always after recession, there's going to be a boom. So we are trying to acquire that market through an acquisition, which we just have cleared it out.
How do you see the current challenges due to this Iran-US war?
There is a substantial challenges there, definitely in the market. But even to the market, I can say, as we have very strategically around 5 to 6 years back, planned our growth, basically by having a very different segmentized approach. So we have domestic, we have holidays, we have hotel stay, we have MICE, and we are into events. So we are into hotel bookings across, whether it's called Lux Living. So we have diversified our investment in various pockets. And every time, that's our biggest success, is that one segment to other segment, it complements each other. Even during this recession time, we have still shown a 35% growth. And if it would have been not there, we would have definitely had a much upper growth as such.
So what are the steps
Yeah, so.
So what are the steps to increase the profit?
Okay, so as such, if you see last year, we have, by August 26, we have got our listing. And post-listing, we have expanded from 60 people to 150 people now. And plus, we have expanded from 6 units to now almost 12 units across India. So now the production of this, the sustainability last 3 months has already been over, and we are started showing an uptrend market in spite of this recession. So there is definitely going to be a revenue boosting in terms of the existing LGT's expansion, and also with that acquisition which has happened in March, their results are already started coming in, and we are definitely sure for this year, their income plus our expansion would help us to reach to the larger goal in the days to come. Yeah.
What's your plan to keep the momentum, double figure growth rate?
So we are actually expanding into the leisure business. As I told you, 2-tier cities and 3-tier cities are our expansion plan, and that is working really well. We have started very well from the April and May perspective. There is almost about 100% growth in terms of the leisure business, which we were contributing last year to this year. And I see a very close traction as we go forward. So, and also we are definitely stepping into e-commercing, and that is also one of the investment. Already we have done a good sizable investment, and that would also, by September, we would be live on call for that segment. So we are acquiring the technology. We are also acquiring the physical growth in the days to come.
You said you are the leader in this hospitality sector. Here.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Hospitality sector.
Yeah.
So how you are going to, where you are standing now?
Okay, see, I think, what I would say is we are not in the top 10. Yes, we are definitely proceeding towards that. We are in the top 15 or top 16 numbers. And as the days goes by, our expansion has been very fast and steep. And currently, we are definitely in one of the top 10 in the MICE segment, and also the hotel booking segment. The other segments, we are on the drive. We are aiming to be in the top 10, top 15 companies as we go forward.
Any novel plan you have for the next quarter?
What is that? Sorry?
Novel plan.
I didn't get you.
No, different plan, different from other
Yeah, that's what, see, what we are doing is we are not giving only e-commercing, we are not only segment. So we are approaching the market, knowing the Indian market as such. we are having a e-commercing market, we are having a physical markets also. That's why we are opening physical offices in the 2-tier cities to aim to reach out to the end customer at your doorsteps through your net banking, through your net and also through a physical presence. So there is a trust which we are trying to build in the travelers, and that is what we are focusing on, sir.
How many offices you have in India?
Now we have got almost 14 offices, sir.
What is the percentage from the online business?
So online, as I told you, I think you, just to give you clear, we are starting by September. We are not into online business as such, but the acquisition to run that is already started. That is what was our agenda to go for listing, and that has been taken care of by first quarter, that is first half yearly result. We will have more results to come to the market, sir.
Have you achieved your IPO promises?
We
What
have.
you- yeah.
We are definitely, I think, I think all of you know, in listing, we are the first company to be listed in South India. And I can proudly say that we are headquartered in South India, and we are the first company to have in the top 15 in India also, on the listing front. What is that? Yes. South India. So, thank you very much. Any other questions are there? Yeah.
So, thank you very much for basically giving us this audience for us. And we are also, as an organization, we would like to tell the world around, we are a very growing, strong, recognized organization. We are an organization with ISO certification. We are an organization with having presence in all the metros and also to the 2-tier cities. We are trying to expand our wings in the leisure segment, and we are, as of date, we are definitely one of the top 10, top 15 companies in my segment. And we are also, as an organization, we are growing very fast in the hotel stay business. In fact, last year we have done almost 95,000 room nights, and that is what we are as an organization. And our expansion has been very strong in the last couple of years, is because we have diversified our growth into various verticals, and we are projecting ourselves as a total travel solution provider. When we are talking about total travel solution provider, we, as a customer comes into our office, we give them a total solution, whether it is ticketing, whether it is visas, whether it is package, whether it is his hotel bookings on business, whether it is his consultation for his other services of any other requirement, we take care of. Our service quality is one of the number one which we are trying to drop in terms of reaching out as an expansion plan. And as such, we are also trying to globally expand into Dubai, into various other locations in the days to come. So as an organization, we are very strongly moving ahead, and we would definitely like to reach out to more and more customers, more and more investors to support us, support this moment in the days to come. Thank you very much. தமிழில் எல்லாருக்கும் கண்டிப்பாக தமிழ்லையும் பேசுகிறேன். ஸோ எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். எங்களோட இந்த ஆர்கனைசேஷன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் சவுத்துலேயே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நாங்கள் தான் முதலாவது கம்பெனி ட்ராவல் இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில் நாங்கள் லிஸ்டிங் பாம்பே ஸ்டாக் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்சில் லிஸ்டிங் பண்ணியிருக்கிறோம். அதே ஒரு நம்ம சவுத்துக்கு ஒரு பெருமையாக நாங்கள் நினைக்கிறோம். அதே மாதிரி எங்களோட ப்ரெசன்ஸ் பேன் இண்டியாவில் எல்லா மெட்ரோஸும் மட்டும் இல்லாமல் எல்லா 2-tier சிட்டிஸ்லேயும் எங்களோட டைரக்ட் ப்ரெசன்ஸ் இருக்கிறது. எங்களோட எக்ஸ்பேன்ஷன்ஸில் நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மை செக்மெண்ட்டில் ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ராங்காக வளர்ந்துட்டு இருக்கிறோம். எங்களோட இன்னொரு ஸ்ட்ராங் க்ரோத் ஹோட்டல் ஸ்டே பிஸ்னஸ் தட்ஸ் வாட் கார்ப்பரேட் சொல்யூஷன் சொல்லுவாங்க. அந்த பிஸ்னஸ்லேயே நாம் எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறோம். ஆல்மோஸ்ட் 95,000 ரூம் நைட்ஸ் லாஸ்ட் இயர் பண்ணியிருக்கிறோம். இந்த வருஷம் இன்னும் டபுள் பண்ணலான்னு நம்மளோட மார்க்கெட்டிங் பிளானிங் எல்லாமே ஓடிட்டு இருக்கிறது. எங்களோட ஆல்மோஸ்ட் 12 ஆஃபீஸஸ் அக்ராஸ் இந்தியா இருக்கிறது. இன்னும் மேலும் மேலும் போகிறதுக்கு நாங்கள் பிளானிங்கும் எங்களுக்கு மார்க்கெட் சப்போர்ட்டும் மூலமாக எங்களுக்கு எக்ஸ்பேன்ஷன் பிளான்கள் ஓடிட்டு இருக்கிறது. வி ஆர் டெஃபினெட்லி நம்மளோட இந்த வருடம் எங்களோட கோல் என்னென்னா நம்மளோட ப்ரொடக்டிவிட்டியும் ப்ராஃபிட்டபிலிட்டியும் எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்ணி நம்மளோட இன்வெஸ்டர்ஸுக்கு நம்ம ஒரு ஸ்ட்ராங் சப்போர்ட், அவங்க எங்கள் மேலே வைத்திருக்கிற ட்ரஸ்ட்டுக்கு அவங்களுக்கு இந்த வருஷம் நாங்கள் டிவிடெண்டும் கொடுக்குறோம். அதே மாதிரி இது இன்னும் வர காலகட்டத்தில் மேலும் மேலும் டிவிடெண்டுகள் கொடுத்து அவங்களுக்கு உற்சாகப்படுத்துறதுக்குள்ள ஒரு ஆர்கனைசேஷனாக, ஒரு ட்ரஸ்ட்வர்தி ஆர்கனைசேஷனாக இன்னும் வர்ற நாட்களில் நாங்கள் எல்லாருக்கும் இந்த மார்க்கெட்டில் அந்த ஒரு ஸ்டாண்டு கண்டிப்பாக நாங்கள் எங்களோட விஷனில் அது இருக்கிறது. நாம் டிரான்ஸ்பரண்ட் கம்பெனி, வி ஆர் ஐஎஸ்ஓ சர்டிஃபைட் கம்பெனியாக இன்றைக்கி நம்ம சவுத் இந்தியாவில் இருக்கிறோம். அதே மாதிரி மட்டும் இல்லாமல் எங்களோட ஒர்க் பிளேஸ் பெஸ்ட் பிளேஸ் டு ஒர்க்குன்னு அந்த சர்டிஃபிகேஷன் வச்சுருக்கிறோம். எல்லா கம்ப்ளைன்சஸும் 100% நம்ம ஃபாலோ பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கிறோம். எங்களோட க்ரோத் பேட்டர்ன் எப்படின்னா, நாங்கள் எப்போதும் எங்களை ஒரு மார்க்கெட்டில் நாங்கள் ஒரு தனியாக நிற்காம மார்க்கெட்டோடு வளர்ந்து, மார்க்கெட்டோட அந்த ட்ரஸ்ட்டில் வளர்ந்து இந்த கம்பெனி ஒரு நம்பர் 1 கம்பெனி அந்த லிஸ்டிங்கில் வரணும்னு எங்களோட விஷன், எங்களோட கோல். தட் இஸ் வாட் இதுவரைக்கும் நாங்கள் எங்களோட எல்லா பிளானிங்கும் அது பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் நாங்கள் வச்சுருக்கிறோம். தேங்க்யூ சார், தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச்.